Your vehicle features a chargeable powertrain. For convenience and optimum charging, we recommend you have a 240-volt AC Level 2 charging station installed in your home by a qualified electrician. To charge the high-voltage battery, shift into park and turn the vehicle off. If equipped for charging at home, a portable charging cord set, EVSE, can be found in the driver's side storage area. This allows for AC Level 1 charging using a standard AC grounded outlet. After plugging into a standard 120-volt AC power outlet, preferably on a circuit that isn't powering any other devices, the cord set will complete a self-diagnostic. When all the lights turn green on the status indicator display of the cord set enclosure, you're ready to connect the charger to the vehicle's charge inlet. You'll find the charge inlet access on the driver's side of the vehicle. Push the connector firmly into the charge inlet. You'll hear a click when the connector is fully engaged. If it's not, the vehicle may not charge. The charging cycle will automatically initiate when the following conditions are met. The cord set has completed its self-test without any error lights. The wall receptacle is functional and producing power. The hood is closed. And, when enabled, the vehicle's charging schedule is set for charging at the current date and current time. If there's a connection error, a red or yellow light will illuminate. Your vehicle uses instrument panel state of charge indicator lights on the dashboard to indicate the progress of each charging cycle. Each light represents a percentage. One blinking light means the charge is 0 to 20% complete. One solid and one blinking light means the charge is 21 to 40% complete, and so on. When the charge is complete, the blinking stops. To unplug the vehicle, push the button on the connector handle and pull firmly to remove the cord from the vehicle's charge inlet. Keep in mind, you can safely unplug your car at any time during the charging cycle. You can set a charging schedule so your vehicle automatically charges to full at your desired day and time each week. In the electric vehicle app on your touchscreen, select Schedule, Charge Schedule, then the day and time that works best for you. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.